These hacker text presets will work with Premiere Pro 2019 or above versions. Let me show you how to edit and use these templates. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Right-click here. Click on Manage Additional Folder. Now click on Add. Give path of template folder. Here templates are installed. Place any template on the timeline. Here you can change the text. Change text color from here. Font can be changed from here. Adjust text position and scale from here. These templates have in and out both animations. You can also adjust its duration. Trim or expand the template to make its duration shorter or longer. That's it. Thanks for watching.